Hi there, this is John at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. We're going to look at a premium Canadian hand-built model. It's very rare and hard to find. It's made by Leisure Travel Vans. It is a 2021 twin bed model. It's a one owner. It started here at Johnson RV years ago. The buyer had a son that lived in Portland, and they just used it to commute back and forth from Michigan. So it's in excellent shape. The only thing that's scheduled is a complete inspection and new tires. Other than that, it's immaculate. Come take a look. Alcoa package, filter, and one of the things that they do is they also use the second wheel on the dually is an Alcoa as well. A lot of your 6-wheel packages, it'll put the Alcoas on the outside and a steel wheel on the inside. When you have the twin bed, you have a complete pass-through, frameless windows, backup camera, tow package, generator, solar. Come on in and look at this light and bright interior. This is on the newer Mercedes chassis right here, as you can tell with the smart steering wheel. Leisure Travel spends the money for all the safety features and the large screen versus the small screen. Other options we can see, this has the safe, the solar, and swing over here into the control panel. This does have automatic leveling system, your Truma Aqua Go, which is hot water, LP generator, and I'm not sure of the wattage on the inverter. It's probably at least a 2000. And if you want to swing around, look at the twin beds here in the back. Plenty of space. You can flip this part out, and another piece goes in the middle to make a wall-to-wall king. You have a convection microwave oven. And check out this fridge. You want to get something from that side? No problem. We can do it from this side too. Pantry storage here. And I don't know if you can take a look in here. We have a separate bath right behind you, and that's my buddy Andrew behind the camera. If you call the dealership, well, I don't know how we're going to do this. Come on back here. If I'm not here, give the dealership a call and ask for Andrew. And again, this is a 2021 Leisure Travel. This is the twin bed model Unity, and this is Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, 503-668-5400. Thank you.